Tahiti, a jewel in the South Pacific, is not just a haven of natural beauty, but a treasure trove of Polynesian culture. Here's a glimpse into the 5 best cultural experiences that offer a deep dive into the island's rich traditions. Step into the Museum of Tahiti and her islands to journey through Tahitian history. From ancient navigational techniques to the impact of European explorers, artifacts and exhibits here paint a vivid picture of an evolving culture. Feel the heartbeat of Tahiti at a traditional Polynesian dance show. The Otea dance, with its vibrant drum beats and the storytelling hula, are performances that encapsulate the island's spirit and history. Discover the sacred Marae Arahurahu, an ancient temple complex that whispers tales of religious ceremonies and celestial connections. A guide will reveal the Marae's secrets, linking you to the spiritual past of the Polynesian people. Immerse yourself in a traditional craft workshop. Weave pandanus leaves, carve wood, or learn about the sacred art of tattooing. These hands-on experiences connect you to the enduring legacy of Tahitian artisans. At a Black Pearl farm, uncover the meticulous process behind cultivating Tahiti's lustrous gems. These pearls aren't just jewels, they're cultural icons embodying beauty, wisdom, and the island's connection to the sea. Tahiti's cultural experiences are gateways to understanding the soul of Polynesia. From museums to marae, dance to craftsmanship, and pearls that echo the ocean's depth, each encounter enriches your perspective. Book with far and away adventures and let Tahiti reveal its stories to you.